What's good, YouTube? Super excited to bring you to a new video. This is the week 13 of my funding challenge journey, and also in a journey of becoming a profitable trader. So if you're new to this channel, what I do in my channel basically is I document my journey in becoming a profitable trader, and also a journey in becoming a funded trader of about $6,000 account from a pro firm known as Fundednext. So if it's something you're interested in, stay to the end of this video, so you're going to learn a lot from me and also learn from my journey. And also don't forget to to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification in order to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. Don't forget to like this video in order to help for the YouTube algorithm to reach out to many other traders that really want this kind of content, so in order to hasten their journey in becoming a profitable trader. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to take you guys over to the trades I took during this week that just ended. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go into the video. So guys, you can see on my chart currently, this is the EURUSD, and on a 15-minute time frame. The OGs know that the only thing I trade in the financial market is the EURUSD, the EURUSD, and also I only trade one time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame, with one session, which is the New York session. So basically what I trade in the financial market is basically the market structure and liquidity. Now I use these two things, combining with the market cycle, which is these three sessions, which are known as the Asian session, the New York session, and the London session. With these three sessions, I am set to to trade the financial market. So guys, let me show you guys the trades I took this week. So what I basically do when I come on Monday, I first of all mark out the Asian Asian range, and the Asian session starts around 1 a.m. GMT plus 1 Nigerian Forex Trader, and ends 7 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time. So if I'm to mark that out, this is where the Asian session start from. On this candle, it started from here and up to 7 a.m. and ends here. So guys, this is you can agree to me that this is the Asian range for Monday. Sorry, I'm sweating. This is the Asian high, which has the dollars. I'm going to put the dollar sign that represent the liquidity. You understand? If you don't know what liquidity is, you can check my previous video. I've done a video about that. Liquidity is all about money. If there's no liquidity in this market, I don't think there will be something called Forex market. So this is the Asian low. Now you might ask, why do I put this thing on this region, this high and the low? Like I always say in my previous video, the Asian session comes with liquidity, because it's just a session that comes along with a lot of consolidation. So when there is consolidation, it means that there are liquidity resting above its high and liquidity resting below its low. So after that, what does the London session do? When the London session open, which is around 8 a.m. GMT plus 1 my time, it either takes out the high of the Asian session or the low of the Asian session. So in this case, on Monday, the Asian session took out the high with this weak candle, and also took out the low here. So after doing that, upon seeing that, I asked myself, what is the current trend for this market on that day, on this time frame? I observed that the market is actually making a higher highs and higher low. So if I'm to pick my brush to here, so that you can see that at this point the market made a higher high, made a higher low, made another higher high, made another higher low, then made another higher high. So I was just interested in buying the euro dollar for that day. So I was just basically looking for the current market structure. So in this case, you can bear with me, that you can agree with me rather, that there was a break of structure to the upside with this candle. So that at this point, upon seeing that, I saw that there was a break of structure here. There was a break of structure with a very huge bullish candle to the upside, and I asked myself, which other block led to that break of structure? This is the other block, guys. What then do I do? I never hesitated, I never wasted time. I just set a limit on that other block, waited for the market to come during the New Year session. That was when I set my limit. Yes, because I've seen the opportunity there on the New Year session, and I used I set a 10 pip stop loss and a 1:3 target. guys. But unfortunately for me, I was smoked with a little. The market didn't come tap my limit, just a little. I don't know if this is a pip or a pipette, I don't know, but the market didn't tap me, and that was so painful. But it is what it is. You lose some, you win some, and you miss some. You just have to get it. That is the roller coaster that comes with what? Trading. So on Monday was a miss trade for me that finally hit my TP if it had taken my order. But in this case, it was a miss trade for me. So there was no trade for me on Monday. So let's move to what? On Tuesday. So guys, the same thing that I saw on Monday is the same thing I want to see. I want to still do the same thing. Rather, first of all, it's a ritual. I will mark my Asian range, because that is where the liquidity lies. And when the financial market, nothing moves the financial market. The only thing that moves this financial market is what? Liquidity. So when there is liquidity, there will be what? Movement. So in this case, the Asian session starts around what? 1 a.m. like I said, and it ends 7 a.m. So it ended on this candle, and this is my whole Asian range. So let me take this. So this is the Asian high for on Tuesday, and this is the Asian low for on Tuesday. So I just asked myself, what is the trend? At this point, the trend is still making higher highs and higher lows. Like you can see here, the market just made a impulse to the upside, which is a higher high, made a higher low, and moved to higher high. So I was just interested in doing in buying the euro dollar. So at this point, I asked myself, what is the current market structure? So at this point, after seeing this break of structure to the upside with a very huge candle, so guys, what do? I asked myself, which order block led to that break of structure? And this is the order block that led to this break of structure. This huge 15 minutes candle, selling candle, led to that break of structure. Then I set my limit at that point, but unfortunately I was stopped out with a minus 0.5 loss. That was the first loss for me for that week. So I was still interested in buying this market because the directional bias for that time frame at that moment is still bullish. Then I saw that there was an aiding order block on this candle. If this is a week, this 15 minutes candle has a wick beneath it. So if you go on a lower time frame, 5 minutes, you see that there's an order block. Then I set my limit also there. But eventually and unfortunately, I was still kicked out by the market. So I ended on Tuesday with minus 1% loss. So that is that for that. I'm going to show you that I take all this trade. I am not hiding anything online. I document every trade I took here on my Telegram channel that I just opened. So if it's something you are interested in joining, the link is in the description of this video. It is not a signal group. It is a group where I just post my trade idea. I only take that trade. I don't want you to take those trades because I am not sending any signal to the group. I just send my trading ideas and other educational content that will improve your trading journey, just like I'm doing to myself. So guys, on Tuesday that was a loss for me with minus 1%. So fast forwarding to on Wednesday, the same scenario, the same ritual. I want to mark out my Asian range. At this point, the Asian session, like I always say, start around 1 a.m. my time and ends 7 a.m. my time. So this is the whole region for my Asian session. So this is the Asian low for this is the Asian high for on Wednesday, and I think I made a mistake here. So and this is the Asian low, Asian low for on Wednesday, rather for a Wednesday. So what then do I ask myself? I ask myself, what is the current trend on this market? You can see that the market is actually making lower lows and lower highs at this point. It's making lower lows. You can see it broke structure, made a lower low, made a lower high, make another lower low. So I was just interested in selling the euro dollar at that point. But I asked myself, where is the recent market structure? So this place, the market actually broke structure here. Then I asked myself, which other block led to that break of structure? this is the other block, guys. This is the other block, and the other block also has what? Imbalance resting what? Below it. So I was confident in taking the trade. I set my limit on that other block without wasting any time. I set my limit there with a what? 10 pip stop loss. You can see with a 10 pip stop loss. So immediately the market what? Tap me in and what? Smash my TP with a 1:3. So that was a win for me on Wednesday with a 1.5% gain for on Wednesday. So coming to what? On Thursday, which is the what? The last trading days for me based on my what? Trading plan. I want to still do the same thing by what? Marking out my what? My Asian what? Range. Like I said, my Asian session start around what? 1 a.m. So it started from this candle and end at 7 a.m. which is on this candle. So this is the range of my what? Asian what? Session. So this is my what? Asian high for on Thursday and what? Asian low for on Thursday. So the same thing I said to myself, I want to know the trend of the market for that time frame at that moment. You can see that the market is actually what? Making a what? A higher high and a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, another high high. So I was just interested in what? Buying the what? Euro dollar. And in this case, I'm really sweating here. And in this case, the London session opened by taking what? The high of the Asian session and then rallied up to the side. Sorry, rallied upside, upward. That's the correct word. So upon seeing that, I asked myself, what is the break of structure? What's the current market structure that broke the market structure? So here is the what? There was a break of structure. You understand? So I was interested in buying the market from that what? Point. So that was it. And I asked myself, which other block led to that break of structure? Guys, this is the other block that led to the break of structure. Then I set my what? My limits there without wasting any time with what? With a 12 pip stop loss, guys. With a 12 pip stop loss. And what? Unfortunately for me, the market what? Stopped me out. After taking me in, it went a bit of drawdown and went to the upside. So I was confident that the market is about to what? Head higher upon seeing this strong bullish candle to the upside. But unfortunately, the market did its thing and then eventually stopped me out on minus what? With minus 0.5 loss. So basically, these are the trades I took what? For this week 13. I ended the week 13 with no profit, no gain. So it was just a break-even week for me. So that brings the end of my what? My October what? Trading month. So if I'm to give the statistics of my October trading month, I took 20 trades. 13 of them are loss, 2 of them are break even, and 5 of them are wins. So basically I have 18 trades because 2 are break even and 13 are loss and 5 are what? Win. So the question in your mind is, what is my what? My percent gain or percent loss for that month? Guys, my percent loss for that month is just minus 1.5% loss. I was surprised and I asked myself, if I had not stick to risk management to some extent, I don't think I might come out with this minus 1.5% loss. It might be more, but due to I was still interested in keeping I think I lost the network now. Okay, it's back. I was still interested in keeping my risk management very tight. I was able to come out with October with a minus 1.5 loss on my October trades, which I'm okay with. I know I did some shit, like I said on my previous video. I did some shit, but I still came out with the minus 1.5%. I'm not proud. I'm not saying I'm happy, but I think I'm okay. I'm seeing a change in my trading journey. So the question in your mind is, what is my current drawdown on my account? My current drawdown on my account is currently on minus 3.76% drawdown. So I'm going to pop the account balance so you can see that I'm actually saying the truth. I'm currently on minus 7.6%. Sorry, minus 3.76% drawdown on my account. So it is what it is. That is the roller coaster that comes with trading. I've been trading this account up to 3 months and I'm still in a drawdown, fluctuating at 1 point. But I hope for better for November, so we'll come out of this drawdown and get into profit before the year ends. I don't know what might happen, but I still remain focused. So if you're still there struggling, just believe in yourself. Believe in yourself that one day you're going to get profitable, because the top is not meant for everyone, but meant for what? Serious-minded ones. So if you're serious-minded and ready to get to the top, you need to start working out, receive all the challenges, face all the fears and all the problems. But just have it in your back of your mind that you will come out profitable. I'm saying this to you, also saying it to myself. So guys, if you like this content, do wait to smash the like button in order to help for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification to get notified when I post new content like this on my channel. Without wasting much of your time, I'm going to catch you guys in the next episode. I hope for the best, because we definitely want to make mama proud. If you don't get it, you forget about it. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.